All right, now that we've made the simple calculations in Excel, I will go ahead and show you how to make a nice graph. Depending on what you highlight, that's the graph that you'll make. So if I highlight just the inside, not the differences or the averages, I can make a graph of just that by going to Insert and hitting the 2D column. And I'll get a graph of that data. Okay. If I wanted a different graph, I can just hit whichever information that I want. So if I want just all the averages from the trials and the difference, I can highlight that and do the same thing. Go to Insert and the 2D column. Again, this is an Excel. This is not, it's very, very similar for Sheets, and I'll show you Sheets after. So let me show you how you would edit this, because you're not going to turn it in where it just says chart title and there's no units on the side. All right, I'll get rid of this one and we'll just work with the other one for now. So when you're going to do any edits, I suggest just making it a little bigger, and I'm also going to make it bigger just so that you guys can see what's going on. So when you start clicking on the chart, your chart design feature, your options should come up. What you can do is for the title, you can just click right on it and you can write a nice title, okay? Like the effect of some IV on some DV. That will always be your title, the effect of on something else, okay? And then you'll need to add the units. For Excel, it's a little bit annoying because you'll need to kind of make your area a little bit larger and then click on the data and scoot it to the side a bit. If you don't scoot it to the side, the next step will overlap and it'll be a little annoying. In fact, let me just shrink it down. Okay. Then after you have made a little space, come to where it says add chart element here all the way to the left and click Axis Titles. You can do a horizontal title, but usually they do it for you. As you can see, the IVs are already labeled. So you want to do the vertical title. That's the one on the left side. That's the Y-axis. And you'll want to put whatever units it should be. For this lab that we're doing, the muscle one, it's beats per minute. I'm just going to write units. Whatever units there are, you'll put them there. So that's, again, going to add chart elements, axis titles, and then your vertical. Let me show you what that looks like on Sheets. Again, I can highlight whatever I want. So this time, let's try the differences column. And we'll go to Insert, Chart. And now I have all my differences right here in a nice little chart. Once you create that chart, Chart Editor automatically pops up on Google Sheets. So they give you your data, click over to the right on Customize, and then the second one is Chart Axis and Titles. So they'll give you a chance to change your title, change your axis, all of that, or label your axis. So click on Charts and Titles, click Type, go to Chart Title, and then right under that, they'll give you a chance to write something in. You'll write the effect of some IV on whatever your DV is. It'll show up. That's great. And then we'll need to add the units on the side. So you go back to Type, and then again, vertical axis title, and it'll give you a chance to do some kind of unit. The beautiful thing with Sheets is it scoots it over for you. You don't have to really manipulate the size. And that's how you get units and a title on the graph. Again, whatever graph you chose from the data.